Welcome to TAO, the Tech and AI Observer podcast, where we break down the latest in technology and artificial intelligence. I'm Sarah, your guide to the tech world, and joining me is Mike, our curious co-host.
Hey everyone, I'm excited to dive into today's topics. We've got some fascinating stories lined up. So, Sarah, what's first on the list today?
First up, let's talk about the collaboration between Texas Instruments and NVIDIA. They're working together to develop advanced power management and sensing technology for future AI data centers.
That sounds intriguing. What exactly are they aiming to achieve with this partnership?
They're focusing on creating an 800-volt direct current power distribution system for NVIDIA's next-gen AI servers. This is a big deal because it aims to improve the scalability, reliability, and efficiency of data centers, which are crucial as AI computing demands continue to grow.
Why move to an 800-volt system? What's wrong with the current setup?
Great question, Mike. The current 48-volt systems require a lot of copper wiring, which isn't practical as we scale up. The 800-volt architecture allows for higher power delivery with greater efficiency, making it a crucial step in designing more manageable and powerful AI infrastructure.
Fascinating. What's up next?
Moving on, we have a partnership between French IT firm Capgemini and German software company SAP. They're teaming up to implement custom Mistral AI solutions.
Custom AI solutions. For what industries are they targeting these?
They're focusing on industries that handle sensitive data and have strict regulatory requirements like financial services, the public sector, aerospace and defense, and energy and utilities.
So it's about securely and effectively leveraging AI in these critical sectors.
Exactly, Mike. This partnership highlights the increasing need for specialized AI applications in regulated markets. It's all about helping these organizations use AI while adhering to strict regulations.
Makes sense. What's the next topic?
Next, let's talk about Fractal, a Mumbai-based AI firm. They've just released Fathom R114B, a new open-source large language model with strong mathematical reasoning capabilities.
How does this model compare to others out there?
It's reportedly outperforming models like O1 Mini and O3 Mini, and the post-training cost is just $499. It's a 14 billion parameter model and is available on Hugging Face and GitHub under an MIT license.
That's impressive. What's the significance of this launch?
It's a step towards building India's first large reasoning model under the India AI mission, and it shows significant accuracy on complex math exams. Fractal also introduced a variant through reinforcement learning, marking a step forward in accessible high-performance AI from India.
Exciting developments. What's next on our list?
Now, let's discuss Zoho's Sridhar Vembu, who has voiced support for Indian AI startup Sarvam AI. They faced some criticism for their newly released Sarvam M LLM.
What kind of criticism did they face?
The Sarvam M model, a 24 billion parameter model for Indic languages, math, and programming, had low initial download numbers, sparking debate in the Indian AI community.
And how did Vembu respond to that?
Vembu encouraged the Sarvam AI team to persevere, emphasizing that instant success is rare and highlighting the importance of continued development. Downloads have since increased, and Sarvam's co-founder remains optimistic, welcoming feedback.
It's great to see such support. Finally, what's our last topic?
Lastly, let's touch on some international news. The European Union has gained a temporary reprieve from threatened 50% U.S. tariffs by President Trump, with negotiations extended to a July 9th deadline.
What are the main challenges in these negotiations?
The EU is proposing a zero-for-zero tariff agreement on industrial goods and increased U.S. imports, while the U.S. wants to reduce its trade deficit by targeting non-tariff barriers like EU food safety standards and digital taxes.
Sounds like a complex situation. What's the main issue here?
The fundamental disagreement lies in the US demands, which the EU sees as misinterpretations of its standards or beyond its negotiating authority. It complicates reaching a swift resolution.
International trade is always a tricky area. Well, that wraps up our topics for today.
It does indeed. Thanks for tuning in to TAO, the Tech and AI Observer podcast. We hope you found today's discussions insightful.
Absolutely. We'll catch you next time with more tech updates. Take care, everyone.